Good morning, students. Welcome all of you in fourth lecture of the sixth chapter. So already we study basics of first exercise in this basic. Generally we use linear pair or linear pair axiom or vertically opposite angle. So let us see in question number 5 how this result will be used. So in question 5th, this figure is given. Here POQ is a line, this is 9, and this angle is 90 degree. We want to prove angle ROS half of big bracket angle QOS minus POS. This we want to prove. So solution. So on this line we are having these three angles. So sum of these three angles POS plus ROS plus ROQ will be 180 degree. Region linear pair axiom. Now we know the value of this angle 180, this angle 90 degree. So we write here 90 equal to 180. These two angles will remain as it is. So these two angles remain as it is and 90 will become on right hand side minus. So 180 minus 90 equal to 90. So this is equation number first. Again we will see sum of these three angle equal to 180. Region linear pair axiom. This angle is 90. On this side it will become minus. Then angle POS plus ROS equal to 90. Let this is the equation number first. Now if we see here we are having three angle ROS, QOS, POS. Here POS we are having means this angle, then ROS this angle we are having, but we don't having the QOS. So let us check this QOS from the figure. So QOS, this angle is QOS. So here we will write angle QOS will be equal to sum of these two angles, means angle ROS plus angle ROQ. Again value of this angle we know 90. These two angles will remain as it is. So 90 we will take on right hand side and this angle will be shift on left hand side. So sine of ROS will become minus. So QOS minus ROX equal to 90. So let this is equation number first and this is equation number second. So in this equation we are having right side same 90 90. So if one side same then we will use the word from. Already we use this word in question number third. So from equation first and second means this 90 and 90 will cancel, and on left hand side we will have POS plus ROS, and on right hand side we will have POS minus ROS. So ROS will remain as it is. This minus ROS on left hand side will become plus, because here on left hand side we are having on only on ROS. So angle QS as it is, this ROS remain as it is, this POS on this side become minus. So ROS plus ROS it will become 2 ROS. So angle QOS as it is minus angle POS as it is. Now we are having double of angle ROS. So these two on right hand side will become divide, means 1 upon 2. 2 will become 1 upon 2. So in this way we can solve this question. Now we will solve the question number 6, last question of this exercise. So this is the last question of this exercise 6.1. In this question figure is not given. So ourselves we have to draw the figure. So if we study the question, then in question it is given that value of x, y, z is 64. So we ourselves draw this angle 64. Then in book it is written that we extend or produce the xy up to p. So we produce xy up to p. Then ray YQ bisect ZYP. So let this is ray YQ which is bisect ZYP. So based upon the given information in the question we draw the figure. So this is the only question in exercise where figure is not given, we ourselves will draw the figure. So this is given angle XYZ 64, ray YQ bisect ZYP. These two angle we want to find out, angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. So solution. Here we will see that PYX is a line. If this is a line, then sum of these three angle will be 180. Before this, because this YQ bisect ZYP, then these two angle will be equal. PYQ QYZ. These two angle will be equal. YQ bisect ZYP. Let these two angles are X. So this X, this X. So PYX is a line. So X plus 64, their sum will be 180, linear pair axiom. So X plus X, 2X plus 64 equal to 180. 64 in this side will become minus. So 2X equal to 116. So x will be 116 upon 2, x will be 58. So after this, we will see that what angle we want to find out, or which angle we want to find out. First, XYQ. Let us check XYQ from the figure. XYQ. So this angle we want to find out. So x plus 64, value of this angle x plus 64. 64 as it is, x we will write from here 58. So by addition of these two, we will get angle 122. So this is the first answer, that angle XYQ equal to 122. Now second angle, we want to find out QYP. So QYP, this is angle x. So QYP equal to angle x. So in place of x we will write 58, but we want to find out the reflex QYP. So to find the reflex of this angle, we will subtract 58 from 360. So you will get 302. So all these 6 questions are very important, and definitely you will get one question out of these 6 in the exam. So tomorrow we will start second exercise. Thank you.